Hello everyone, our team name is Destiny Boys, toy name is Diabas, team ID is 4414. In this video, we're going to see about gameplay and working of our prototype. Before that, we're going to see the rules for Diabas. First rule for this game is roll the dice for your turn if the value is 1 or 5 or 6 or 12. Then move any one of your coin and you have another chance to play. Second rule is at the first start when the player put 1, that means Dayam, then only able to put his first coin on his own. After that, all other coins out in the game can bring back to the game when you put 1 or 5. And then third rule. In all plain box, only one coin is able to stand, even also same player coin. Fourth rule, it's a war, so a player can cut other player coin which is not in a safe zone, not in the cross box. Cut a coin is out from game. I have Agni coin in my home. If a Vasu coin is 3 cells next to my home and my dice value is 3, then I can cut the coin and play again. See rule number 2, bring back the cut coin to the game. The last rule. At last, a player can cut other player coin one time to enter to the next layer from first layer. These are the basic rules which we want to follow while playing this game. Let's see the gameplay. Let's see the basic gameplay of this board game. This is the basic layout which we designed. The game starts when the player throws a dice and records number 1. Once he got 1 and the coin was placed inside a board, and he can get another turn so he can play again. And once he enters the board, he can bring this another coins when he get 5. If the player got 3, so he just move 3 steps forward from the board. This game can be played with 4 members and minimum of 2 members. I am just going to show with minimum of 2 members. Now see with Vasu. Vasu is going to put number 1 as a the program. Once he got 1, he just entered to the womb. The direction starts left side from the womb. He got 1 right, so he got another turn. He just got 2, so he just moved 2 steps forward. He won't get another step because he just got only 2. If he got 5, 6 or 12 or 1, then only he will get another turn. Now it's Agni turn. He got 5, he killed that player, so the coin goes to the womb. And this is the second time he just want to throw. After that, he wanted to throw the dice again. He got 4, so he just be landed safely in the womb. Now there is 2 possibilities. This is one possibility as I told, and another possibility I will explain like this. We can see he got 5 time, right? So he can bring one of his coin to the board. We are just assuming that Agni got 3, so he just landed on Vasu's place, and Vasu got 2, so he just moved 2 steps forward. And we, as the rule says, the player should gain opponent player coin at least once, then only is eligible to move 1 step to the second layer. So the Agni got 4, so now the Agni killed Vasu's coin returned to its home. Now Agni is eligible to go inside to the second layer. The rule says once a player killed the opponent player, he got another turn. Now Agni got 2, so he just landed on Varun's Dev home safely. Now I will explain the pathway for each of the theme. Let's see the pathway for Agni. Agni's pathway will be like this. He just want to enter by this pathway alone. He can't go as is what he wanted. He just be pathway should be only one directional. As now we see the Vasu's direction to enter to the board into the second layer, third layer, final layer. Now we see Varuna's pathway to enter to the next layers. Then now we see Prithvi's pathway to enter to the next upcoming layers. And this is the pathway for each team to enter to the layer and to get to the home. The player will be declared once he brings all of his 6 coins to the swastika symbol. In between time, there is a lot of chances to get killed by the opponent player. The moral of the game is, in Tamil, there is a proverb, விதியை மதியால் வெல்லலாம் means you can change your own fate by your mind. Here dice values are our fate and we manage to move all the coins to destiny with mind without losing the coins to others. The direction of travel should be decided by the player alone. Once the players fix their direction, they can't move opposite to the direction which they have just moved in. Do you know why we just place the swastika symbol in the wood? Because after facing so much of struggles, we will get the peace. That's why we just place swastika symbol in the wood. Now Agni god placed all his coins to the swastika symbol, so the winner is Agni.